Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Faucet. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for any kitchen: finding the most reliable kitchen faucet. Whether you're renovating your kitchen or just upgrading your faucet, reliability is key. So let's get into it. Choosing a kitchen faucet might seem straightforward, but with so many options out there, it's important to make an informed decision. We'll be looking at some of the top contenders for the most reliable kitchen faucet and breaking down what makes them stand out. Delta Faucet Leland. First up is the Delta Faucet Leland. Delta is a brand known for its reliability, and the Leland model is no exception. It's packed with features that make it a top choice for many homeowners. Let's talk about what makes this faucet so great. The Delta Leland comes with a Touch 2.0 technology that allows you to turn the water on and off with just a touch anywhere on the spout or handle. This is super convenient, especially when your hands are full or dirty. Plus, it has a pull-down sprayer with an integrated magnet that keeps it securely in place. Moan Arbor. Next on our list is the Moan Arbor. Moan is another brand with a strong reputation for quality, and the Arbor model is a prime example of their craftsmanship. The Moan Arbor features a spot-resistant finish, which helps keep your faucet looking clean and shiny. It also comes with a powerful spray head that has multiple settings, including a pause function perfect for those quick tasks where you need to stop the water flow momentarily. Moving on, let's check out the Kraus Bolden. If you're looking for a high-arch design with a commercial feel, this faucet might be just what you need. The Kraus Bolden features a 20-inch retractable hose, which provides excellent reach and maneuverability. It also has a dual-function sprayer that easily switches between a powerful spray and a steady stream. Its solid brass construction ensures durability and a long lifespan. The Kohler Simplis is another fantastic option. Kohler is known for their innovative designs and quality, and the Simplis is a testament to that. One of the standout features of the Simplis is its unique 3-function spray head, which includes a sweep spray for efficient cleaning. It also has a high-arch spout with an easy-to-use lever handle that makes adjusting the water temperature and flow a breeze. Pfister Sophia. Last but not least, we have the Pfister Sophia. This faucet combines elegance with functionality, making it a great choice for any kitchen. The Pfister Sophia features a sleek design with a high-arch spout and a pulled-down spray head. It's equipped with a ceramic disc valve that ensures a drip-free performance. Plus, its easy installation process makes it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts. So, there you have it, some of the most reliable kitchen faucets on the market. Each of these models has its unique features and benefits, so the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. When choosing a kitchen faucet, consider factors like ease of installation, spray options, and overall durability. Investing in a high-quality faucet will not only improve your kitchen's functionality but also save you from potential headaches down the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more home improvement tips and reviews. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Text overlay, subscribe now.